Essak Sons Home Textiles is one of Pakistani's leading and fully vertical integrated textile manufacturing companies in Port City, Karachi.
I'm Muhammad Salman Yusuf, Director Marketing of Essak Sons Home Textile. Our company was established in 1988 by my father, Mr. Muhammad Yusuf Ismail. Our company and products are fully equipped with major certifications. Our main priority is to deliver hassle-free and on-time deliveries to our customers.
Essak Sons to transform world-class yarn into remarkable quality fabrics and terry products like terry towels, bathrobes, bath mats, bed linen, table and kitchen linen, workwear fabrics. To get the best fabric and terry products, Essak Sons owns one of the best in-house high-temperature dyeing machines. Essak Sons also own in-house soft-flow high-temperature processing machines, continuous drying range Biancalani Auto 24. The excellence in producing world-class stitching of home textiles has never been compromised in Essak Sons. Modern technologies and machinery in Essak Sons laboratory enable them to play an invincible role in maintaining high-quality standard of production. After double quality checking terry and fabrics from all parameters, we pick and ship to our prestigious buyers around the globe, like Europe, UK, North America, Australia, and other parts of the world. Essak Sons takes environmental stability very seriously, and we are compliant with all relevant production certifications. Innovation is our core, and it allows us to continue to be one step ahead of our global competitors. Our legacy of growth aims towards a market leader among the country's fabric and terry manufacturers with integrity, quality, principles, transparency, and commitment. We continue to adapt side by side with our prestigious customers. Essak Sons manufacturers and exporters of home textiles.
I would like to thank you, our customers, for trusting Essak Sons.